Reaching 50,000 miles is one of the most dangerous milestones for any vehicle, and most drivers don't even realize it. According to U.S. repair data, vehicles that skip major 50,000-mile maintenance are over 60% more likely to suffer expensive breakdowns before reaching 100,000 miles. The problem is that most of these issues don't trigger warning lights right away. Your car may still start fine, drive smoothly, and show no warning lights. But wear is quietly stacking up inside the engine, transmission, suspension, and cooling system. This is where small neglect turns into four-figure repair bills. In this video, we are going to uncover the 11 maintenance moves that you must do as your car touches 50,000 miles. Let's dive in. Number 11. Spark plugs and full ignition check. By 50,000 miles, your spark plugs have fired millions upon millions of times, and even high-quality plugs no longer perform like they once did. As electrodes wear down, the spark becomes weaker and inconsistent, which means fuel doesn't burn as efficiently inside the cylinders. This leads to subtle power loss that most drivers don't notice right away, but feel during uphill driving or acceleration. A weak spark also increases engine load, forcing coils to work harder and overheat, which is why ignition coil failures often follow delayed spark plug replacement. Mechanics frequently see misfires at this mileage that drivers mistake for bad fuel or engine aging. Replacing plugs on time restores crisp throttle response, smoother idle, and better fuel economy almost instantly. Checking ignition coils, boots, and wiring at the same time prevents misfire damage that can destroy catalytic converters. Number 10. Service the transmission fluid. One of the biggest lies in modern automotive marketing is the idea of lifetime transmission fluid. By 50,000 miles, transmission fluid has been exposed to extreme heat cycles, friction material, and microscopic metal particles. As fluid degrades, it loses its ability to lubricate and control hydraulic pressure, which is critical for smooth shifting. This is when drivers begin noticing delayed gear engagement, rough shifts, or shuddering at highway speeds. Ignoring fluid service allows wear to accelerate inside valve bodies and clutch packs. U.S. transmission shops report that the majority of failed transmissions they rebuild never had fluid serviced before 100,000 miles. A proper transmission service at 50,000 miles dramatically extends internal component life and can prevent a $4,000 to $6,000 rebuild later. Number 9. Replace engine and cabin air filters. Airflow is crucial for the engine to perform efficiently. At 50,000 miles, engine air filters are often clogged with dust, pollen, and road debris, restricting airflow to the engine. Reduced airflow means poor fuel mixing, weaker combustion, and noticeable power loss during acceleration. Studies show a clogged air filter can reduce fuel economy by up to 10%, which quietly drains money every fill-up. Cabin air filters are just as important, as clogged filters strain the blower motor and reduce HVAC efficiency. Drivers often complain about weak AC without realizing airflow is the real issue. Dirty cabin filters also trap moisture, leading to odors and mold buildup. Replacing both filters is inexpensive, yet delivers immediate improvements in performance, comfort, and efficiency. Number 8. Flush and replace engine coolant before corrosion starts. Coolant does far more than keep your engine from overheating. It protects metal surfaces from corrosion and lubricates internal seals. By 50,000 miles, the corrosion inhibitors inside coolant begin breaking down, even if the coolant still looks clean. Once protection fades, rust starts forming inside the radiator, heater core, and engine passages. This reduces heat transfer efficiency and creates hot spots that stress head gaskets and cylinder heads. Many overheating problems that appear around 80,000 to 100,000 miles actually start right here, due to neglected coolant. Hoses and thermostat performance should also be checked, as rubber components harden with heat cycles. A coolant flush at this mileage stabilizes engine temperatures and protects against one of the most engine-destroying failures drivers face. Number 7. Perform a full brake system inspection. Most drivers replace brake pads only when they hear noise, but by 50,000 miles, the entire brake system needs attention. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking performance under stress. Old fluid can also corrode internal brake components, including ABS modules, which are extremely expensive to replace. Caliper slide pins often seize at this mileage, causing uneven pad wear and pulling during braking. Rotors may look fine visually, but develop thickness variation that leads to steering wheel vibration. A proper brake service at 50,000 miles restores stopping power, prevents premature pad wear, and keeps the system safe and responsive. Number 6. Inspect suspension and steering components for hidden wear. Suspension wear doesn't always announce itself with noise. It quietly steals control and stability. By 50,000 miles, shocks and struts often lose a significant portion of their damping ability, even if they are not leaking. This causes increased stopping distance, reduced tire grip, and excessive body movement over bumps. Ball joints, tie rods, and control arm bushings also begin developing play, which slowly throws off alignment. Many drivers blame bad roads for vibration and wandering, not realizing their suspension is worn. Uneven tire wear is often the first visible clue. Inspecting and correcting suspension issues now restores ride quality, protects tires, and keeps steering precise and safe. Number 5. Clean fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are precision components, and even slight carbon buildup affects spray patterns. By 50,000 miles, deposits from modern fuels and short-trip driving begin restricting injector flow. This causes uneven combustion, rough idle, hesitation, and reduced fuel economy. Many drivers assume these symptoms mean the engine is getting old, when it is really fuel delivery degradation. U.S. service data shows fuel system complaints spike sharply after this mileage. A professional injector cleaning service usually costs $100 to $200 in the U.S. Skip it long enough, an injector replacement can hit $200 to $500 per injector, especially painful on V6 and V8 engines. Number 4. Rotate and balance tires. By the time your car reaches 50,000 miles, your tires have already done tens of millions of revolutions, and most of them have not worn evenly, even if they look fine at a glance. Front tires wear differently than rear tires because they handle steering, braking, and most of the vehicle's weight. When tires are not rotated, one set gets punished while the others coast, cutting tire life in half. And don't forget balance, it's just as critical. Tiny weight differences in a wheel might seem harmless, but over time they create vibrations that quietly destroy wheel bearings, suspension components, and even your steering. Many drivers assume vibration means bad tires, when it is actually poor balance. A proper tire rotation and balance typically costs $40 to $100 in the US, but ignoring it will cost you a full set of tires replacement, which usually costs $600 to $1,200, depending on vehicle and tire quality. Number 3. Replace the Serpentine belt. The Serpentine belt is one of the most critical and most ignored components on a car. This single belt drives your alternator, power steering pump, water pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, heat causes the belt's rubber to harden, crack, and glaze, even if it has not snapped yet. Tiny cracks between the ribs are early warning signs most drivers never look for. When a Serpentine belt fails, you don't just lose one system. You can lose charging, steering assist, cooling, and AC all at once. That's why belt failures often happen suddenly and in the worst possible situations. Replacing the belt proactively at 50,000 miles prevents breakdowns that can leave you stranded and overheated within minutes. Number 2. Perform throttle body cleaning. By 50,000 miles, almost every modern engine has a dirty throttle body, even if the car still feels okay. Over time, oil vapors from the PCV system mix with dust and carbon, coating the throttle plate and bore with sticky buildup. This buildup restricts airflow and confuses the engine computer, especially at idle and low speeds. This causes rough idle, hesitation when taking off, delayed throttle response, and even stalling at stoplights. Drivers often think it is a transmission issue or failing spark plugs when it is really airflow being choked. A professional throttle body cleaning usually costs $80 to $150 in the US. Ignore it, and drivability issues can lead to sensor replacement, idle relearn problems, or diagnostic labor easily exceeding $300 to $600 for a problem that started as simple dirt buildup. Number 1. Perform an engine carbon cleaning. By the time an engine reaches 50,000 miles, carbon buildup is no longer theoretical. It is already forming inside the intake valves, combustion chambers, and piston crowns. This is especially severe in modern direct injection engines, where fuel no longer washes the intake valves clean. Carbon deposits disrupt airflow, interfere with proper fuel mixing, and increase compression hotspots that can lead to rough idle, power loss, and poor MPG. Many drivers assume this is normal aging, but in reality, it is contamination reducing engine efficiency. What's really happening is the engine is slowly suffocating itself. Carbon buildup also strains oxygen sensors and catalytic converters over time. A professional engine carbon cleaning typically costs $150 to $400, but ignoring it long enough can lead to catastrophic failure, which can lead to $1,000 to $3,000 repair, especially on turbocharged engines. That's all for this video. Doing these maintenance moves right at 50,000 miles is not about spending money. It's about saving money. Whether you drive a daily commuter, a family SUV, or a performance car, treating this mileage like a major maintenance milestone will leave you on the road longer with fewer breakdowns and better performance. See you in the next video.